Hello there. I am Mia Stone, and I am part of Dr. Shelley's Empower You Masterclass, Cohort 4. And I just wanted to make the video and share my vision board for our second class. We did this in our class, but it is part of getting out there and sharing with alumni too. So as you can see here, my vision board, well, let me just say a little bit about myself first. I'm a fifth grade teacher for online students, and I teach reading, and I've been doing that for several years, and I love what I do, and I'm very happy, but there is a need for change in my heart, and deep down, I just feel like there's more that I need to be doing. So when I talked to Dr. Shelley, we're like, think big, dream big. So what I'm introducing you to with my vision board is my big dream. So at the very top picture, you can see the Zen Stone Beach Boutique, which is going to be eventually my small business that I own with my fiance. So I'm dreaming of becoming a small business owner. We would like to find a beautiful coastal town to open up shop. And I have on the pictures around the top one here, yeah, I can use my pointer here, all the elements of earth, wind, fire, and water. So I'm very spiritual, very earthy person. And I want to incorporate all those things into my beach boutique. There are so many things so many ideas that I have, but it's just starting. Some of the things that I want to sell with the boutique would be artisan things that are handmade by others, maybe handmade soaps to jewelry. I would even like to sell artwork, so art pieces that maybe have artists come in and have a little art show and sell their work at the shop. So just different maybe crystals and plants. I like the earthy part, bonsai trees. That will be my fiance's area of expertise. That's something that he enjoys doing. I would like to have wind chimes, boho attire, like beachy dresses, just maybe garden stones, herbs, tea, essential oils, so many ideas, so many things that I would like. But there would be a room here for learning, because I am a teacher by nature, so I would like to have yoga classes, meditation classes, art, painting classes, whatever, somebody wants to come in and use the room to hold a class, to teach others about something. I would love to have a room in my boutique for that. Maybe even an area for musicians, because I love music. So an area for them to play and maybe set up and sell their CDs or whatever. I have lots of visions. So moving down on my vision board, I have, it's already yours. So I believe in the law of attraction. It has happened so much in my life. When I put my mind to something, I know that I can accomplish anything, which is so wonderfully amazing and terrifying at the same time. So be careful what you wish for. But I believe that it is something that I'm absolutely going to have and going to accomplish one day. The other picture I have here, take time to do what makes your soul happy. This is something that of late, in the past couple of years, I've been focusing more on what makes me happy. I was married for half of my life, and recently, 4 years divorced, three years divorced, and I'm finding who I am, because I've put my heart and soul into my family, and I was always, what do they need? And now I feel like my time. So what makes me happy? playing the piano, learning how to play the piano, going to live music shows, things that make my soul happy. So, and riding the bike. That's one of the pictures up here on with the bike on the beach. I can just picture myself doing that every day. So silver linings, I just feel like it's, like I said, that's my time. And it's all good. This black heart here, you might not be able to read it. It says financial freedom. So I am in quite a bit of debt with student loans from going back to school part-time over the period of 10 years while raising the family, the kids. I would work and I would go to school, and I took out the max amount of loans. So I've got a pretty hefty number hanging over me, but I'm not worried about it because it's going to get taken care of and it's going to happen soon, and I'm excited. So the financial freedom is there to remind me, like, this is something that's going to be taken off. It's part of my vision. The abundance, I'm just filled with so much love in my life right now with my family and my fiance, my pets. I love my dogs. So abundance is part of my vision. The universe has big plans for me, and it is time to claim them. So there is no better time than now for me. Love I spoke of, family is everything, still is everything to me. And this everything you want is on the other side of fear, I had said, because truly, I do believe that whatever I put my mind to, I will accomplish. And it's just a matter of that. Wow. It's a little scary. So my shop, I want it to be very natural and just to be an image of who I am and what I believe in. And I guess my belief, my religion is love, because to me, love is all that matters. That's everything. So there's just a couple pictures down below of some homemade cards and gift bags. And this is a water fountain that I envision being on the inside of the store, just in a nice little area where you can hear that waterfall, selling crystals and sage and just different lotions and soaps and all kinds of gift things that you can think of. So thank you for listening and allowing me to share my vision with you. I'm excited to see the rest as well. Namaste.